the third theme you wanted to touch is, how can I keep the spirit in me? And there was a short description. I'm working as like the Etheric does, serving others. And I'm even serving people whom I would say what they are doing, actually, I don't feel like I really want to support that. And I still serve them. My etheric body too does it every day. Sometimes he says, I don't like that this guy doesn't go to bed before 2 or 3 or 4 o'clock at night. But he still serves me and allows me to take another coffee and so on. It's not the same picture, I'm very aware of this, but this, okay, I would do it differently, but I still serve you because in a way it's arranged like this. That's this thing, how can I keep the spirit in me? How can I stay with me? Not just with me, the question is higher, the spirit in me. And who is me is a big question. One could become crazy of it if you really go into, is this me? Is this me? There are all kinds of me's in between. Which one is the true me? And so on. And the spirit, we agree, the spirit is just wow. And maybe we just do this, if you go experience the body musically, you have a sort of, the music is not just going, so it's da 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 da, not always, but in a way, because we are segmented. And just, let's do it, I'm gonna speak like this, maybe I may speak like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and very big maybe. And then let go again. And let the arms sink. It was just an idea that we just experience, we just don't know how big am I. That's all I want to invite you. It's just okay, sometimes I'm like this. And just have the feeling you really feel something there. But you can also feel that you are a little bit, some days. And all the time it feels a little bit different what you touch. And it's there. And very big. And then let go. And I have spoken about the countercurrents. And so maybe we can do it in a way. And again, we only have to stay in touch with us, whatever this is. But the first thing is the body. We have just to stay in touch with our body. Because when we perceive our body, the I is the one who perceives the body. So when I perceive my body, I also perceive myself. That's why I am in contact with myself. So just stay in contact with your body. And then when we do this, you might notice you do not lose yourself. You still feel yourself centered. A last time. Just I feel myself like big, like this. Like this. And all the time have the feeling you take something in your hand. Or you touch something. And And I open up, but I feel centered, still centered, despite I feel myself that big. And let go. Maybe you have noticed that unconsciously your feet, your legs were involved automatically. The spirit in me. Just let's do spirit once. It's just a picture. It's just, but just use your fingers and to have the feeling. You can just, in a way, if you have very long fingers and you can look and feel from where is the spirit, you just expand far out, like this. Where is it? And then just this. In Eurythmy, if you would look a little bit more into it, we would call it this is a color white. Yeah? If we do white, we do it like this, and it's arraying out to what's left and right. It's not into the front. It's just wow. Yeah? It's between back and front, but they go far out to the left and to the right. And once more, but it's not stiff, the finger moves, they are looking for, because the spirit can't be just packed, can't be grasped like the thing. There's movement in the fingers, just trying to touch a little bit, hints of the spirit, which likes to disguise. Just spirit. And again, let your breath react as a sign that we didn't lose ourselves just by trying. Where is it? The spirit. Spirit, a thing which you never can grasp, because then it's no spirit anymore. It was spirit, sure. And then in Eurythmy, in me. Just if you speak it yourself, in me. Can you hear that it's very different ways, these two E's, eyes. In me. Yeah? Strong and mild. And if we do the Eurythmy N, look, it's just, you have your hands here, and now use your body to draw your hands, your fingers, you are strongly in your fingers, towards you. That you have the feeling, like if you are on a surfboard and you have this dress which keeps you warm, that you really get a skin around your body. Yeah, that's the in. That's in the German language, so many words end with in or n, because that's just, again, we come back to ourselves. That's why the words end like this so often. Just go there, everything is spread out. Where is it? And then just use your body in. And now when you feel your skin, you can have the feeling, now I'm in because I feel my skin. As long as I don't feel my skin, am I in or am I lost? Yeah? Do it once again. In. And there you have this vertical in a way, in. And this me, just take it as a question for the moment. Me. Then we do not just draw it like this, but just use your hands and very on the heart level, just me. Use the hands in order to feel what's there. Who am I? Because the me is the biggest question. Yeah? So have here the hands and me. And if this spirit is a big question, can I really grasp it and where is it? You can also ask, can I really just pick me is, where's the spirit in me? Is it so clear where the me is? And if you notice, although the me is a big riddle, then maybe the spirit here and here are the same. A big riddle. Yeah? And the M is just bringing these two riddles together, becoming one. It's not an answer, how can I do it? But it's just for a moment, yes, maybe it opens something. Yeah? Let's try it again, just having this wide, the spirit. How can I, the spirit, this big dimension, this riddle, where are you? And the spirit more or less lives in that I try to touch it. The more I try it, the more I can feel it. That's spirit trying to get in contact. And then use your hands and become aware of your skin by using your body in, here, and then again have the me and experience your inner question. Me. A last time, then we sit down again. Those of you who want can afterwards ask questions. The other one can just relax and let go. How can I keep the spirit? Where are you? White. Trying to feel it. Maybe do it from the side now. In, but we use the body. In. And this helps us. And now we need this. Me. And perhaps you notice when you do this, this realm does not become small. Yeah? This realm even becomes maybe even as big as the other one was. So please sit down for a minute, relax, and we finish this webinar of today. You can listen to what your body feels like. You can also listen to if your soul is how does it move in your body? How does it like it to be there? Or what else? And maybe you can even look in whatever it is, in a more personal level. What does my spirit say now? Does it feel honored, seen a little bit, or at least looked for? What is the state of happiness in you? Where can you localize it?